Yung last na yata itong Pogo, no? Because we will terminate the Pogo hearing. Actually, supposed to be last week pa na-terminate na namin yun. Because of the recent revelation and information na merong a certain Richard Lim at saka a certain personality na king of all kings ng Pogo. Yun ang sabi nila. So, and si Chairman Dan Fernandez would like us to invite this person para matapos namin ito, ma-terminate na rin namin.
Last hearing na.
Last hearing na to sa Pogo at siguro tutuloy-tuloy na lang yung EJK at saka yung drugs.
Kailan ang committee report mo sa Pogo?
And then on, if we wrap up on Thursday for the year, next week meron kaming presentation ng committee report sa plenary. Nasubmit na namin, pinag-aaralan na, but I'm sorry I cannot give you